Hey everybody, Chris here. So the crypto markets are down again this morning. We've got Dogecoin, Bitcoin, ETH, and all cryptos are down. And I know our portfolios are looking wrecked there, but there is a particular price point it looks like someone was looking for. So we're going to look at that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. Yeah, Dogecoin has dropped below support. We'll show that on the charts. But also, there's some other news and indicators that look like maybe this is the local bottom. There's still some more headwinds ahead that we've got to face. But we're going to get through it together, though. Join in the live stream on Friday as well, as we're going to be able to commiserate together. Hopefully we are back on an uptrend there. But right now, I know our portfolios are not looking great. What are we going to do about it, though? Let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the charts and the news. I'll show you what I'm looking at. So here is the current Dogecoin chart as I'm recording this. We came down to about 10.54. Yes, not quite 10.5 cents. Now up to 10.8. So this could be the start of recovery. We will be watching this, but it did break down below my 11.5 cent support line, which of course was a much larger piece of this descending wedge. And we broke down below it right there. But this, again, this was my prediction that we would have a drop coming. I thought it would be a little bit later than when it actually happened. But this drop, again, Bitcoin. Look at the Bitcoin chart and how Bitcoin has dropped. Yes, Bitcoin has come down all the way to the top of this purple box. We drew the purple box during my recent live stream. And what does that equate to? Well, we go back to the daily and we look back at the drop that we had here on May 1st, right down to this level, 56.5 right there. And that purple box is that liquidity gap that we had going all the way back to February. That's right. And that if Bitcoin dropped into this box, we would probably see it come all the way down to 52.5. But it didn't. It just hit the top of the box, retracing back a bit. We do have this double bottom here forming here on the Bitcoin chart. So this is actually looking like this may be the time of recovery. That's right. Chris isn't always bullish, though, because I did predict that we would have this retrace. It's just a little bit deeper than I thought. And why is that? Well, liquidations, right, guys? Liquidations. Look at this over 24 hours. Bitcoin alone, over $100 million in liquidations. ETH, just about 100 million. But in particular, we had this one right here, Bitcoin, this morning, $2.8 million trade on a leveraged long position taken out at 56,458. That's right. That's the number right there. Was the target that needed to be hit. I mean, these exchanges are not messing around. These traders continue to think that the bottom is hit. I'm going to do this big leverage long. I'm going to make a ton of money. And they just drop it lower. $2.8 million in one trade liquidated this morning at that price. And what is that price again on Bitcoin? That's right where it hit. That's right where it went down this morning, right there. To take out that leveraged long. Will we start to see some of these shorts getting liquidated as the price goes up? Because there were probably more shorts opened up down here. Traders betting that the price would continue to go down and go down and go down as it has been doing. This isn't a great looking chart, but in the overall picture, what are we looking at? The overall picture for Bitcoin is we've had these pullbacks before, and I've showed this before. CryptoGel reposted again this morning. Look, back in the 2016-2017 bull run, we had pullbacks of 34 to 40%. And then again, 2020 into 2021, we also had pullbacks in the 20s. Most recently, we've had two pullbacks now, 23% and then 20%. And what are those pullbacks? Those are right here. We see them. We had this initial run of Bitcoin up to 73,000, middle of March, and it pulled back that 22% right there. And then Bitcoin rallied back up to about 72,000, and here's this pullback of 20% to where it is now. So two pullbacks have happened here. And Gel says, look, this is normal. Let this tweet serve as a reminder that dips are part of the game. We've been through a lot. We'll get through this one too. Let's send it higher. That's right. Let's send it higher from here. But what about Dogecoin, and how is Dogecoin going to recover from this? Oh, yeah. Is Dogecoin doomed, right? Doge price crashes. Is this really a crash? Is Dogecoin doomed? Traders are asking whether crypto's biggest and oldest meme coin, Dogecoin, might be doomed in wake of the Doge price crashing to its lowest level since late February. Some traders instead shifting their focus. Could that be people selling out of Doge and getting into something else? Some of you have sold Doge and were looking for a lower price to buy back. I still keep hearing 8-cent Doge, 7-cent Doge, and I keep saying, guys, the charts aren't looking at that retrace all the way back to the February level. That's not what the charts are showing. But could this continue push down by the market makers to liquidate more leverage long trading happen? It just looks like a lot of that leverage has been liquidated out. And it's time to send it and start taking out the shorts. I think that's what I'm looking for. Is Dogecoin doomed? Or is it time to buy the Doge price dip? Doge price risks are skewed to the downside in the short term. The broader crypto market is struggling. Bitcoin continues to face elevated spot market sell pressure from the miners. The German government, potentially a wave of Mt. Gox-related sell pressure. All of that isn't great. We've been talking about that. We just got to get through the summer. Many are still looking at the fall as a golden time for crypto with increased liquidity, possible Fed rate cuts, U.S. political tailwinds. Dogecoin is a prime contender to rebound. We just have to get there, though. Doge could well hit new record highs and finally touch $1 in the years ahead. That's the much bigger target that we have. None of that has changed. But this is, again, a short-term problem. And I know our portfolios aren't looking great. But most of this, again, is on the back of Bitcoin. It's not just Dogecoin that's dropping. And Billy Marcus, he says, oh, damn it, Bitcoin. And I like this one here. It's like, is this the halving? And so like for Doge, it's like from 22 cents to 11 cents. Halved, right? We just had the Dogecoin halving. The price actually did cut in half. Ouch. But not only Bitcoin got liquidated, but yes, Dogecoin as well. $41.5 million of leverage trading in Dogecoin. That's right, in Dogecoin. That's what we see. Of course, more in Bitcoin, more in ETH, heavy trading there, but a lot of leverage trading in Doge as well. So that continues to be a big problem. And Pepe is getting liquidated as well. And the Pepe price is being pounded even lower that we see in order to take out all of those leveraged positions. So the market expectations from altcoins, well, Dogecoin and the rest of the meme coins, they could have that volume turn around, and the expectation is that the market continues this free fall. Altcoins can hit their bottom soon enough. If this is achieved, the meme coin rebound might turn out to be more prominent when compared to the rest of the altcoins. So with Doge, Pepe, Sheeb, the harder they fall, the higher their resurgence might be. This could be the time we see an accelerated altcoin season happen, and with the memes as well. We've got Dogecoin whales buying up bags of coins. That's right. Accumulation time is hitting with large accumulations of Doge. Dogecoin price prediction right now. Will there be a rebound, or will we have a continued slide maybe below 10 cents? Is that where the next move will be? Will 10 cent become the new norm for Dogecoin? Over the past week, Doge price has decreased. It's been tough. I understand that. And I know our portfolios are looking wrecked. But what are you going to do about it from here going forward? You didn't sell your Dogecoin at 22 cents. We're now, right now, down near 11 cents. What are you going to do from this point forward? Is this accumulation time? Is there going to be a market correction that's going to come soon? That's what we're looking for to happen now. So, yeah, it's tough. Definitely tough looking at that drop there below that support line for Doge. But again, it's not only Doge, it's happening across all cryptos. Will this be the time now for recovery? So far, there's a glimpse of it happening today. We'll see as this goes through. I'll be live again Friday, probably start around 4:00 p.m. on Friday with the live stream. Make sure that you are subscribed. You've got your notifications turned on. Leave a comment below. What do you think? Is this going to go even lower? I know there's a lot of bears here thinking 9 cent, 8 cent, 7 cent Doge still on the table. I don't know, but we're going to talk about it. We're going to see how this goes. We're going to get through this together, guys. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.